Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I show you a very interesting thing for Windows. This is a very simple, full feature, free screen recorder. This video is not about advertising this screen recorder. I find this very interesting, lightweight, full feature, and simple. For me, it is much better than OBS Studio high quality screen recorder. Uh, this is for Windows. You can find it inside Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store. If you search here for cool screen recorder, uh, the app appears. I installed it already. Cool Screen Recorder is the name of the application. This application has many features. It is very good. It is really great screen recorder. Inside this application, you have also image editor that you can open or create a new image and then edit and save. And you have the settings for sound. You have hotkeys, try icon, file naming, screenshots, FFmpeg. One thing about the hotkeys, uh, if you already have this hotkeys for another thing in your system, uh, then this will throw error. Make sure to change or to disable this hotkeys in order to do not get so much error from the application. And you can also do like this, minimize and then maximize